Right, in this video I'm going to show you where your shutter speed is at. So again, turn the camera on. You guys kind of just heard it, but the shutter speed is going to be right here. It's going to display as a fraction, and as that fraction, the denominator here gets bigger, it's going to be a quicker shutter speed. So just to show you guys, this is 1/500. It's quite fast. Here, let's go a little bit quicker. And then if I go to all the way down to 1/1/5 or 1/5, okay, you guys hear how long that took. Okay, so that's a slower shutter speed. All right, shutter speed is really important. Again, with capturing images or subjects that are moving, you want to be using a faster shutter speed, and depending on your lighting, you're going to need a longer exposure. So if you're at night, you're trying to capture the stars, and they're not moving that often, but you're in a dark environment, you could like bring this down, and it could capture some light. So just remember, as your shutter speed is slower, you're going to get blurrier images. Okay. Now, these things aren't separate from each other. So as you're using the shutter speed and the aperture and the ISO, you want to be checking your light meter. And as you navigate your environment, there's going to be different settings that you might need to, because part of your frame might be in the shade, part of it might be in the sunlight. So with that, you have to kind of adjust it as you go. Okay. So you want to be using that and also checking your light meter. So if I look at my light meter here, see how it goes up and down. Again, we want that perfect exposure, which is going to be in the middle here. Okay. So again, continue to check your light meter. It's going to be your best friend as you're adjusting and shooting your pictures.